Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of verification accounts on the application of Yazio. You will go to settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find this application of Yazio and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your and you can turn on your phone again, or you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to